Amazing witnessing we just had. Can I ask Father Joe Pereira to kindly comment or share what we just saw in a small nutshell? Thank you.
You're catching me unawares, but I just want to be a voice of all of us here, starting with the little ones who came in the habits of the nuns. They stole our hearts. That's the first thing. And what's really touching about this show is that the children have really told us what they learned from this outreach. And I can make out that this has had a deep repercussions on our parents, on their parents. The most touching thing was their comments on the homes for the aged. And I was very touched by that. I have to say this, that the punch that Joe puts into this. Where's Joe? I can't see him. Joey. Where's Joey? Hey, Joey, please come up. Give him a big hand. That guy. You know, this guy is a combination of faith and music. When his music gets into expression of his faith, this is what the children do. Marvelous job. Thanks. I don't want to keep you too long, but I just want to congratulate this beautiful institution because it gives us a vision of what you all are going to produce for this great country of ours. Congratulations and really, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Now call upon the main man who has scripted the play and composed the music, Joey Mendonça. Joey, we'd like to felicitate you with a bouquet of flowers. Take main stage, please. Let us all see you. Calling Kaji, we want to felicitate Kaji with flowers as well. Kaji, our main man for sound and catering. He's always there to give us soft pricing. Thank you, Kaji. Can we have you on stage, please? And now we want none other than Hilary Almeida, Hilary Studios. His motto in life is, don't shoot with the gun, shoot with the camera. Hilary, can we have you looking at the audience?